All right, so it has been a while since I've done a live stream. Big up on yourself. Welcome again to MG Sports TV. So as you guys would already know that I just did the live stream for the U17, well U20. My apologies for the U20 boys. They played against Trinidad and Tobago. No, I want to first apologize for any comments or remarks that were made by my correspondent. I do apologize if comments were made that is not representative of MG Sports, and you guys know that certainly I'm not the type of person to go any controversial direction. Most of you guys that have known that, so I do apologize on that. Um, I have a few notes here that I want to discuss because still really and truly I haven't really get to finish watch a game, like about 10 more minutes or so left, based off what I see on the screen, or 10 more minutes or so left, but it seems like it was close to the final part, so I never necessarily watch the end part of it, but I do think I've seen enough to come to some conclusion. I know how the game panned out on certain aspect. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna drop the numbers so you guys can call in and share your thoughts as well. If you watch a game, if you guys watch a game, so I'll just drop the number in the comment section. I drop the number in the comment section. I'm also gonna drop the link. I'm gonna drop the link. So sorry about that, people. Let me just get the link up so you guys can join the panel and share your thoughts, because I know a lot of you guys would have something to say about it, about the performance per se. I got a few calls, and the reason why I apologize is because I actually got some calls from some high profile personals, and those calls from high profile personals um, would have informed me about certain things that was said on the stream. So that's the reason why I'm apologizing in advance, even though I haven't heard everything. I heard one and two comments, not weren't so bad, but for anything that was said out of context, I do apologize for that. I appreciate the fact that I got the opportunity to showcase you guys the game. Still, it's not a professional cameraman, people. So I apologize for that as well, because the standard is not that it's not of that. So what I'm gonna do next time, if he's the one that's gonna stream the game, what I'm gonna do, no comments, just strictly stream the game. And what I will do is I will do the commentary. I will restream it through this same platform I'm using right now, and I will do the commentary because I can definitely do commentary. So that is my intent. So, and again, I do apologize on behalf of my correspondent for things that was said unknown to me. As I said, every part I gave me see. So I do apologize for that. But as I said, I've seen enough. So me drop the link in the comment section. Let me just drop the link in the comment section. So the phone number and the link is in the comment section. You decide which one you choose, if you want to come onto the platform or you just want to call in. The floor is open for that. Tell us what you think. Right off the bat, these are some stuff. These are some stuff I'm seeing in the comment section. So the big famous words, quota, player look weak, player look hungry, player not good enough. This is not John Wall team. What else we see? Complaints about the person on stream. Well, I have to go with that, because one of the moments when I joined, I don't know what happened, but I think maybe I have to drop something in the reply comment section. But other than that, these are the general complaints that I got. So the link is in the comment section for those who want to join onto the platform to come and share messages. Tell us what you think. Do you think the performance was good enough? What your thoughts on the game? What your thoughts on the team? So all our people want to say, the man they look weak, like them they ain't no food. Yeah, so who no come in and call in now? No, and then now the big word The big word of the day, I see this word in the comment section nearly 500 times. If there were 600 comments in the comment section today, this one word would have accumulated 500 of the comments. And that word is quota. That is the word, quota. Consistently speaking about quota. So, the platform is open up for you guys to call in or jump on board to share your thoughts on the game. Boom. Let's start off with my thought, what I think. First of all, let me do the disclaimer. So, people all over cuss me, because enough time I get cuss say, boy, me can't talk standard English and I dunce badness and be honest, something I get cussing for. How me dunce. You have one brother name, don't remember my name, some Jamaica something like that. So every time you do a streaming, come on there and call me dunce. So I saw you go. Anyways, so my this is my opinion on the game in layman's term. Now, I based off of the stream, so I stream never start exactly first half. Like when the stream start, 2 goals score already, and apparently the 2 goals don't score early out. The first 2 goals what Trinidad score was very, very early. All right, so from my notebook, these are my comments. 1, cohesion. 2, chemistry. Even though chemistry that fall under cohesion, I think that fall or 2 of them not practically coincide. Shall I say the whole of it? 3, intense press. Lacking. 4, the Trinidad team. So these are the 4 topics I want to touch on. And the reason I put the Trinidad team there in one context by itself is I was fairly impressed with the Trinidad team. And what I saw with the Trinidad team that looks better than what we're doing was their ability to know where. Fresh God. I really thought. Is their ability to know where their partners are or their teammates are. So that's one I first think. Now, let me say this. Make this clear. Based off of all the comment section they look, me kinda as quinge me I saw because me I say, me I wonder if I same game me I watch. Me I wonder if I same game me I watch based off of the comments make it sound. According to the comment section, it's the worst team I've ever played a game of football. According to the comment section, it is the worst team ever to come and play some football. Based off of the comment section, my Sunday morning football team can beat the U20 team easily. So according to the comment section, that team was a pickup team of any big belly man pan roadside and just come play some ball, according to the comment section. And listen, people, me don't want to cuss me, don't want to bash me. From all of that, from what I saw of the game, it's bad. It was a 5 out of 10 performance from me. And I would understand in context the reason why a 5 out of 10. 5 out of 10 performance from me. From the team, holistically. Now, when you get a team of so much young talents, when me say young talents, people, me not talk about Messi and Ronaldo. Know that from now. Me talk about young youths, 17, 18 year old and 19 year old who are playing football. And from in that context, I don't believe we should look like that. Now, 1, cohesion, you can't say chemistry. No. I got to separate cohesion from chemistry. Cohesion. I I don't think we play in cohesively enough in that game. We I mean cohesively. You know, chemistry is knowing where next your partner is. But in a game of football, you have first line of press, midfield defenders. So you have three lines: attack, midfield, defend. When I use the term cohesiveness, may I speak about how we move together. How we move together. And I don't think that from attack to defense or from defense to attack, I don't think that we move like a unit. We didn't big up yourself, Triple E. We didn't move like a unit. We move like individuals around the pitch. That's the reason I use the term cohesion first, then I move to chemistry. We move like individuals around the pitch. I'm not sure if maybe we don't get enough time to train together, but we never like how we look. We can barely identify specifically where some of these players were playing. At some point in time, me see Barrett on the left hand side, like him then in midfield, like him a sit as the only midfielder. Some of the time I see him in the defensive third. So I wasn't sure. Denzel McKenzie was practically all over the pitch. So that's one me I try identify, me I try work out as well. Molina, hard to pick up exactly where Molina play, the position I play. The only two persons me I look on and say, alright, me can identify them, where them I play. I think it was Forbes and my next player beside Grant. So those were the two players me I look on and say, them two players, it quite clear said them I play the position there. Me I see Belly, you can't see what Belly that try, but me still don't know which specific position Bella play. It's just hard to identify these things. Oh, people, please hit the like button. Yeah, if you want, if you don't need to, if you don't want to, I have no problem at all. I'm just ask you, because when I hit the like button, it generally helps the channel to be more visible. So if you feel the need to, no problem at all. If not, no problem at all. Anyways, let me continue. So that's what I saw with cohesion. No, chemistry is a huge factor in football. Chemistry, the aspect of chemistry is, so if you want to play like football manager and type of something now, realize if you get players from one country, you see the chemistry and the moral and then something to go up. But you can get players from different countries and put them together, and the chemistry or something more go up based off of the compatibility and the position of them player. Also based off of them understanding how each other play as well. Now, the team look disjointed. We can understand how chemistry can be a big factor in that. Most of these players, I don't think they really understand how their partner and their teammates is play. So me I go say, all right, fine enough, fair enough. The training camp just started. We are look forward to do a lot better where that is concerned. So generally, over time, we will get better. This is the first practice match. I do believe that based off of the first half and the second half, there's light at the end of the tunnel. It's not all darkness according to the people in the comment section. It's not all darkness. Alright, Fresh God, I'm going to read the epistle. Alright, so TJ, big up yourself. Big up yourself, TJ. Thank you very much for dropping in. You do watch the game, right?
Yeah, man, I watch it on the YouTube channel, man.
Before we get into that, I just cover all of them aspects here. So just give me a minute, I'll just run through them here.
Alright, my general.
So where chemistry is concerned, I understand that the players them just have each other, the players them just know each other. So that can be a problem in how them want to play. Now, coaching can eliminate the big factor of chemistry. No, not all of it, but it can eliminate some factors of chemistry by saying, all right, players, this is what I wanted to do. We want to play like this way. So maybe, even though chemistry is a factor, we could actually start a little bit of coaching in it. Say, all right, what are we trying to do Anyone can identify exactly what the team was trying to do, how we are trying, if we are trying to play from the back, how we are trying to progress the ball from the defensive third to the midfield and then to the attacking third. No, I did see us trying to retain position, which is something we like to say, especially at this age group. I like to see that. That we don't see much of enough of that across the board. So I like that. We did try to retain position in some sense. Then now go on to the intensity. Intense pressing. I strongly believe that we weren't playing with enough intensity. You can see that Trinidad, they were playing at a higher tempo than we are. So even when they were going attacking third, the final pass now come off fast enough, because by the time we make a final pass, Trinidad and the defender is on us, midfielder drop back on us already. So we have to improve on the tempo of the game and also intensity in recovering the ball. The one time we look like we try to be a bit more intense, we give one penalty. I mean, I talk about just slight tackle from that aspect. So definitely, pressing. We weren't pressing. I don't think we were pressing. We were pressing. Maybe one of the reasons I never that press is because of chemistry. So I think, as Mr. said, a little bit of coaching, we probably can fix these things. Finally, the Trinidad team. I believe that the Trinidad team is a well-coached team, well-drilled team as well. You can see that they were playing together for a good while, and that made it difficult for us. Now, even though we're control of the game is concerned, I believe that we took the ball, we control the tempo of the game, we played the ball around nicely. When Trinidad received the ball, though, them find it, them pull it apart, whoop, 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 like hot knife through butter, easily in our final third, and cause the problem. Look on the goal we give it, penalties, and all something. So it's not a good look. It's not a good look. Nevertheless, we dash some clear-cut chances as well. So that is one thing that we have to go look on. Something we have to work on with finishing. Nevertheless, good game back from Trinidad. Very, very good professional performance from Trinidad. Good try from the squad. Specifically the fact that it is a first game. That's something to look into. Overall, I don't think that it was as bad as how the comment section made it look. But definitely room for a lot, and I mean a lot of improvement. So we're going to go to the questions now. Let's stop right there.